Hiya guys, welcome to day 22 of Waxvent. We are nearing Christmas.
It's nearly there, guys. It's nearly there.
And a well-deserved break as well. We've been super busy.
It's been mental.
My back's in half. I need
We're
to
like
see.
broken men by the time we get to Christmas with Waxvent and everything else.
Oh gosh, we've got a bit of an interesting one actually. This is a lovely gent who came to see me today. You can see we've got a pretty full ear canal. Patient was feeling sort of really blocked up. We have seen him in the past, but you will notice something which we haven't really seen for a little while. Well, I haven't seen for a little while, to be honest.
No, I haven't seen one for a while.
No, we've, as you can probably tell by the name of the video, this patient has what we call exostoses. There is a little bit of a kind of a backstory to the patient as well. But at the moment we've got the standard size on the tube, trying to draw as much of this as we can, and you can see it already just behind what we've just removed. Now the exostoses is these kind of like benign bony growths that we get in the ears, always very typically just in front of the eardrum, and always sort of in specific areas as well. You can see one little bump down to the left, little bump there up to the right as well. Now this patient, not so much now, because I think the patient's sort of in their 80s now at the moment, but historically has one of their sort of hobbies, or I don't actually know if it was a job, I think it was a hobby, was a diver. Used to go diving a lot in the sea. Sea being very cold, the ear tends to have this kind of really weird sort of natural reaction where over time the bones start to grow into the ear, almost like to try and protect it. You can see there's a little white sort of bumpy one at the top right hand side of your screen there as well.
They usually come in threes, but you can go up to 5 apparently. Because I was talking to Connor about this when we did a live with Connor. He was saying, you can get up to 5 in there altogether. Because Stephen was asking a question I didn't know, and I asked Connor, and he said, well, no, I'm not too sure why they always appear as they do, but up to 5 of them.
And we kind of see all different sort of stages. Now this would be sort of classed as kind of an early stage. You know, they're only quite small. We can still see the eardrum. You know, they're not sort of intrusive. Obtrusive. I don't know.
Intrusive.
Intrusive. What's obtrusive? Have I just made that up?
Going out, but this is going in.
Intrusive. Oh gosh. I need to go home.
I think you were thinking obstructive.
Oh, that's probably what I was thinking of. But yeah, I mean, I've seen, there's one particular patient I know that I've seen in our other clinic where the exostoses was quite large, and I can only see a small portion of the eardrum. And you know, when it gets to that kind of stage, you're sort of on the verge of referral then.
When they're almost touching.
Yeah. Because as you can probably imagine, any of your bones kind of touching, obviously aside from anything else in the body, in the ear, as that starts growing, and you know, it may potentially cause pressure, and I could imagine quite significant discomfort as well.
Yeah, and you're going to be more likely to get things like infection, because if you get water trapped behind it, then you know, you're going to get a lot of moisture, and there's perfect breeding ground for infection. It's going to get a real problem. When they start to touch, then it can cause a few hearing issues as well, especially if it gets really closed up. Like I've seen some when I worked in the NHS, and you know, you're at the top. Basically, you had 3 there, and these 2 sides and top were almost right down. So you had a tiny little sort of triangle right in the middle. They were hearing through, and it's a bit of a nightmare.
Yeah, it is a bit of a nightmare if you get wax beyond that then as well, because there's no way we're getting behind. You know, there's no way we're getting behind that.
No. That's right.
So
they can sometimes drill it. They can actually remodel the ear canal. It's pretty major.
Sounds lovely.
Yeah. There we are. I'll do.
Get the Black & Decker out.
But yeah, it's don't do that at home, guys, please.
Yeah. Please do not do that at home. There we are. And we got 2 centimeters.
3/4 of an inch, that one, guys. Well, that is our last one for day 22. We're back together for day 23 tomorrow of Waxvent. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you really enjoy the videos, you can also become members of the channel and get even more videos as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and the lovely Miss Taylor Green, we're going to see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.